Spruce Lake and Pinebrook are launching a new and exciting gap year program, which we are calling Renew, as we seek to allow Christ to form us into new creations through an intentional year of discipleship and learning in our incredible setting in the Pocono Mountains. If you have recently graduated high school or you're graduating this year, and you'd like something different than a typical college experience, we will provide you with your first year of college credits for a fraction of the price, as we use experiential learning to integrate your classes with real-life application as you support the ministry of a successful nonprofit. Be part of an incredible community, enjoy amazing off-property excursions, and go on a 10-day international missions trip. Do you want to have an unforgettable year of intentional growth and discipleship? What are you waiting for? Join us and be renewed.